Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, it's the Sunday dinner recipe menu idea segment. When y'all see this, it'll be early Sunday morning, hopefully early enough where y'all can get some stuff done. Like I say, this is something I do every Saturday night, pretty much every Saturday night, y'all. I cook my Sunday dinner the night before. So y'all know my routine. I have 2 church services on Sundays, one at 8:30 and one at 11 at 2 different churches, which is about an hour apart from each other. So when I get home from church, the last thing I want to do, I'm very exhausted because I get up pretty much 6 o'clock on Sunday morning. So when I get home, it's about 12:30. I don't want to be cooking. So I do mine the night before. My mom used to do the same thing pretty much. She do most of it, and Sunday all she had to do was do a little bit of, little side dishes or something like that. So what I got today, y'all, I got some lemon chicken, got onions and garlic on it. But it's very simple, y'all. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season it up, cook it in the oven, uncover it about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna cover it up for another maybe 45 minutes, an hour. I'm doing chicken thighs and legs, which I absolutely love. This is my favorite part of the chicken. So that's what I got here, some thighs and legs. So what I'm gonna do, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna put vegetable and olive oil mix I have right here, salt and pepper and cavenders. That's all I'm gonna put on it. That's all I'm gonna season it with. I'm gonna put it in a pan, and I'm gonna show you the rest, how it put together. And also, y'all can see I got my old meal going. I got my greens in the sink there washing, and I got my pot over here. I'm gonna have macaroni and cheese. I got my pot here with my ham hocks. It's tender and already ready to go. Look at that. I got some onions and garlic in there. Got a good pot liquor going. It's been simmering for 2 hours. And I got my pot back here for my macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna have macaroni and cheese, turnip greens and ham hocks. And then I did a pineapple cake in the pan. I did me a pineapple cake right quick. Don't take long. I do a cake in no time. And put some pineapple glaze on there, and that's gonna be my dessert for tomorrow for me and my neighbors and people to come on and watch the game. But yeah, y'all, doing the night before, it's all about the prep work, y'all. All about the prep. And like I say, I always have cornbread in my freezer. I make big pans of cornbread. I cut it in pretty much pieces, and I put it in in my food saver, and I freeze it. And every time I want cornbread, I just pull it out, thaw it out. I don't have to make cornbread all the time. So that's a good idea, tip for y'all. Make cornbread ahead of time, just put it in your freezer. When you ever want cornbread, you just pull it out. So anyway, I'm gonna get this chicken all seasoned up. I'll be back once I got it in the pan, and I'll show you my next step. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my chicken all seasoned up here. See that, y'all? Chicken is all seasoned up here with my cavenders meat seasoning, salt and pepper. That's all I want for my baked chicken, y'all. That's all I want. Now, all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sprinkle my onions on here. And I slice my onions. They slice where they can kind of flow a little better. Then I'm gonna throw my lemons in there. There's no specific way how to do this, y'all. Just put them on there. Now I got some garlic to put on here, but I'm gonna put the garlic later on. After I get the chicken brown off, the onions kind of cooked off a little, get a little cooking on them, them lemons. Once you get a little char on them, it brings out the flavor of the lemons. So I'll put this in the oven 30 minutes, uncovered. Then we're gonna come back, we're gonna throw our garlic on there, and then we're gonna cover it up for about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll have our nice baked chicken with lemon and onions. I'm gonna get to work on these mustard greens and macaroni and cheese, which I'm not doing a video of those. Macaroni and cheese and mustard greens, y'all, I already have many videos on. Just not Google, but just searching YouTube or Facebook, old school turnip greens and old school mac and cheese. It will come up. So I did that video many times. That's why I'm not doing one for that. So anyway, we'll be back in 30 minutes. See y'all. Alright, y'all, we are back here. And this is what I wanted, y'all. See how them onions is kind of got a little color on them. The lemons definitely is nice on there. I like them lemons get a little char on them. That really brings out the lemon taste. So all I'm going to do now is add a little garlic to this. Mix that up in there. Have a garlic taste of that. Of course, you can skip this step if you don't like garlic. And I made told y'all the wrong direction in the beginning, but ain't no big deal. I'm gonna tell you now. You put it in the oven 1 hour uncovered. I had it backwards. 1 hour uncovered. Then let it brown off like it is now. Then I put it in the oven about 30-45 minutes until it get really pretty much fall off the bone, baked chicken. And all I'm gonna do now, cover with plastic, with foil. I like to spray the inside of my foil, y'all, so it don't stick to the. Sometimes it tends to stick, so I just spray the inside of it. Make sure nothing sticks to it. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Take about 30 more minutes with this. You have to check if it's not ready, of course, after 30 minutes to let it go a little longer. Also, y'all, I got my past hour. I've been working here. I did my macaroni and cheese, and I got my turnip greens here with my ham hocks in there, so that's good to go. I got me a lot of pot liquor. I love a lot of pot liquor. If you eat greens, that pot liquor is good. You put that in a bowl with that pot liquor and some cornbread. I got my ham hocks in here. Shoot, that's eating there, y'all. Of course, y'all know I got my pineapple cake back here. And my macaroni cheese back there. So yeah, like I say, my Sunday meal is almost ready. Another 30 minutes in the oven with the chicken, and I'm set. And I'll come back here in about 30 minutes. We'll sample this chicken, and we'll see how juicy it is, and we'll go from there. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Just took it out of the oven. Y'all be very careful when you open this up. When you first open it up, and this is what you get, y'all. Nice baked chicken. This thing smells amazing in here. You can smell the lemon and the garlic and all that goodness on there. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take this out of here. I'm gonna put it on a platter here and arrange it on a little platter. And we're gonna come back here and we're gonna have us some baked chicken. So anyway, let's see here. Oh yeah. Got them onions on there, the lemon, the garlic. Like I say, if you don't like the garlic, you definitely don't have to put that on there. But if you just like a regular, and this is very simple like I told y'all. Just salt and pepper, the seasoning your choice. I use cavenders, because cavenders go on everything. Put it in the oven, uncovered, hour, covered up for 30 minutes. You got baked chicken. So easy and simple. So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. And look how this chicken just pretty much fall apart. So juicy. And this thing is really hot. Another thing y'all can do, that juice that's left over, the pan is still hot. Ooh. You can put a little of that juice on top of there, top of that chicken. That's all that flavor. Make sure you don't throw that out. And when you rewarm your chicken up, put a little of that on there. You got that garlic in there and lemon. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta do this right. Put some hot sauce on there. I don't want to eat too much of this because I know this is my dinner tomorrow. You can't go wrong, y'all, with baked chicken. Just simple. Now, if I wasn't on camera, you know I'll pick this chicken up. I'm trying to keep it classy now for the table. Trying to keep it classy. But it wouldn't be no fork and spoon, it'd be these fingers here. That's some good eating there, y'all. But get up early Sunday morning, you see this recipe, or next Sunday, buy you some chicken legs and thighs. You know you can get these for $5 at the store. $5, 10 pounds of legs and thighs. what you can feed 5, 6 people, depending on how much chicken they eat. That's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm not gonna feed 4 people, but anyway, another Sunday menu ideas in the books. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope y'all learned something. Like I tell a lot of people, I'm here to not only cook, to actually teach. A lot of people just starting out cook. A lot of people been cooking for a long time. Might be something I'm learning myself. I learn from y'all. Y'all give me tips to open my eyes. Like I say, we all in this together. That's why I call it Old School Soul Food Family. I'm not above or below anyone. We all on the equal level. This channel is all about y'all. A lot of times people say, why you don't show your face more? It ain't about me. It's about the food I'm cooking. It's about sharing ideas with y'all. I want y'all to focus on the food. Don't focus on me. It's all about the food. That's why you don't see on my brand, on my name, it's called Old School Soul Food. It's not Chef Jeffrey's Old School Soul Food. It's not Chef Jeff's Old School Soul Food by Chef Jeff. No, my name's nowhere in the title because I want it to be Old School Soul Food. That's everybody's history, everybody's food. Old School Soul Food is everyone, and that's why I did that specifically. People are like, won't you change it? No. Old School Soul Food. When I'm passed on and gone, making Old School Soul Food beyond the skies, somebody's going to take over. I already mentoring young people to take over and keep this thing moving. Because like they say, my slogan is, food we grew up on and still remember today. If you ever read my brand and my title, the little words under Old School Soul Food, it's food we grew up on and still remember today. I don't never want this food to ever go away. I want it to keep going and going and going. Because our ancestors and the people before us created this. And we must continue the legacy of this food. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021. We only got 3 more months of this. And I got to come up with another hashtag. I got a good one for 2022. Y'all need to stay forward for that one. But anyway, 2021, help somebody Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. Y'all have a blessed Sunday. Keep prayed up. Go to the church of your choice. If you don't go to church, just pray for somebody. It will help somebody. I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.